Making oxtail today. These pieces are huge. I gotta cut all that fat out though. Making oxtail. Get that started. Gotta get some vinegar. Some people say they rinse their meat. I think vinegar would do just fine to clean your meat. No need to rinse it. Vinegar, get you right. Said I'm making oxtail today. There's gonna be other people in the background. Don't worry about them. Don't worry about me. Focus on me. So, beaucoup de ça.
Hein?
What's YouTube, man? So, like I said, there's gonna be other people here. Here's what it is. Boom. Got our oxtail, right? Filled with fat. You wanna cut that off. You don't give up in my teeth, I know. Fat. Yeah, take all that out of there. What ain't good to you? Yeah, I'm going to. Yeah, business. C'est pour ça YouTube là. Pour YouTube là, fait comme là. On va ouvrir le restaurant. C'est facteur. Take the fat off, man. All that unnecessary fat. I'll take it off. Remove fat. Easy. Took all the fat out. Took as much or all the fat as I could. See? A lot of unnecessary fat that I took out of there. Right? So now you gotta sit it with the vinegar and lime. I'm gonna let it hang out for a little bit. Nice and marinated. Let it sit in the vinegar and the lime for some time. Now I'm gonna boil some hot water. Getting ready to pre-cook before the seasoning. Got the hot water on the stove, getting ready to boil. Hot water ready, boiled up, hot ready, boiled up. Now we're gonna transfer that over. Boom. Like I said, the hot water ready. Transfer that over. Right into your oxtail. Alright. Show you guys. See what's happening. All the other unnecessary stuff is coming off with the hot water, with the preheat. Preheat. The hot water. Preheat, all the nastiness coming off. Haïtien depuis au pas sel, bon problème. Manger à sel. Seasonings. Got all the seasonings. I'm about to add some water in here. All that. Maison.